Day 4 of the Tyler McCain preliminary hearing, where prosecutors are presenting evidence to show the Shasta County man should be put on trial for the murder of his wife, Nikki Saelee McCain, whose body has never been found. Once again, our cameras are not allowed in the courtroom to record audio or video. Here's the Northstate's News' Mike Mangus with the latest.
A man living in a trailer on the McCain's property on Olinda Road when Nikki disappeared in May of 2024, Justin Karen, was on the witness stand all morning and into the afternoon. The prosecution again confirming that when he was with Tyler where the McCain's Chevrolet Avalanche pickup was left off Highway 36 near Begum Gorge Bridge, he asked Tyler if the truck and something in it needed to disappear, and Tyler said yes. Karen told investigators Tyler offered to pay Nikki to go away for a while so she couldn't testify against him on domestic violence charges. Deputy District Attorney Toby Powell asked Karen point blank, "Did you have anything to do with Nikki's disappearance? Did you kill Nikki McCain?" To which he answered no to both questions. Karen also testified he found Nikki's driver's license and credit cards on the McCain's back porch and gave them to Tyler. They were not partially burned or melted as they were when found in Tyler's wallet later. On cross-examination, Karen said after Tyler was picked up and they went up Highway 36 to the Avalanche, he did not smell anything. Sheriff's detectives testified earlier this week of a strong smell of decomposing tissue coming from the enclosed truck bed. With sometimes conflicting answers, Karen's recollection of events and his honesty were challenged by both the prosecution and defense. Asked if during his testimony and during interviews with investigators if he was being truthful, lying, or mistaken. Tyler again sat motionless most of the morning with his head in his hands in an almost full courtroom. But when video of Karen being interviewed by law enforcement was played, Tyler occasionally looked over to watch it. Finally, during the early morning hours of May 18, 2024, Karen eventually admitted he saw Nikki in the kitchen of their home, the last time she was seen alive. She was reported missing by her family members a few days later on May 22nd.
This afternoon, Luis Berjas took the stand, and he said he met Nikki while he was working at a phone store in Anderson. They eventually had an affair. Luis said Nikki told him she was getting a divorce. Then he described how she showed up at his home saying she'd been severely beaten and tortured by Tyler. The preliminary hearing is expected to wrap up next Tuesday or Wednesday.